You know me, I love shoes, but I wear my shoes. And when I wear my shoes, I really get them pretty dirty. So I want to see what the best technique is to clean. Is it like the home remedies? Is it the stuff you buy? I don't know. Let's check it out. I'm here with my homie.
I am Sensei, Hawaii Brad here.
What's up? So there's two different types of people in this world, right? There's the shoe collectors that are like this, keep their shoes nice and clean, and they never wear them, and all their friends get to see them. And then there's guys that do this. So, as you know, I wear these shoes, right? And my biggest thing as a shoe collector is you see the expensive kits, like $20, $25. We know Crep and some of the other brands, but we don't know how well they work. Do they work better than just some home remedies? Let's find out. The first thing we're gonna check out is the Crep kit. It was 18 bucks. I stopped over at Flight Club and got it. Let's see what we get inside of it. We got a cleaning kit of a nice little brush, some fluid, and let's give it a shot. Just read the directions. We gotta open this little bottle here. There's this nice brush that came along. We dip this in the water. We got some shoe cleaner on here. Dip it back in the water. We're gonna hit our shoes real quick, right? So we just wanna go in little circular motions all over the shoe. So you gotta go around in circular motions like this. Let me get all the grooves here. Nice and soapy. Alright, let's get these underneath. This is the real test. If this comes clean, I'm a fan. We're continuing to do this. It's actually taking a little bit longer than I thought. I don't know. Still mixed emotions about how this is going to turn out. What do you think, guys? How are we making out? I don't know. So all I've really achieved is making a mess over here. This one's all foamed up. I've kind of done the brush over it. I'm going to let it sit for a minute, and we're going to try this home remedy stuff. This shoe, equally as dirty as you saw. What I have is some nail polish remover. I'm going to water it down, try to clean the hard plastic areas, and I'm just going to use some classic Dawn dish soap. We got our nail polish remover. I just want to water it down a little bit because I know it's pretty harsh. But I saw some places on Google and that said this can work. I'm just going to take this, a little cotton pad, and I'm just going to rub this over the hard rubber areas. You can use a toothbrush or whatever, but I figured at this point it doesn't really matter. As long as you have some bristles and a soft brush, I think it'll work. To use some Dawn dish soap, and we'll try it on the actual fabric now. Definitely more soapy. I was thinking, what is like your favorite shoe of all time? I need you guys to go below and comment in the comment section your holy grail of the shoes. And then feel free to buy me one. It's a size 10 now. And for a lot of you that maybe don't know and you're just here because you saw me cleaning some shoes, my YouTube channel is not just about sneakers. It's just us having fun. We'd love for you to join our family, so make sure you subscribe. And I forgot, I don't really have a way to rinse them. Let's go to the bathroom, come on. Never mind the fact that I have shoes on, I have a belt, nothing. Oh man, there's not even a key on there. Right, come on in. There's no lights, hold on. Alright, let's rinse these off. Totally did not mean for that to fill up. Yo, Chintanario, what's up? And we are in the female bathroom because my shoes decided that they were female. Trying them off. You know, they're not perfect, okay? But we try, and they're sure as heck a lot better than they were. Final verdict. We're gonna pull the camera and we're gonna check it out. Really, really think, after looking, home remedy is where it's at. Cheaper. Results speak for themselves. Red tag, professional. No tag, home remedy. Thanks for watching.